Hello, I'm Sandro Perruzza, CEO of the Ontario Society of Professional Engineers, or OSPE, with a new update. We've recently sent letters to the provincial and federal governments on behalf of the efforts of OSPE's Economic Recovery Working Group. They've been meeting over the past few weeks to develop numerous recommendations in 9 areas of focus, and I'm happy to share these areas with you today. Detailed information, including specific recommendations, can be found on the OSPE site under our COVID-19 resources page. Here are the 9 areas of focus. Number 1, implement a clear and transparent analytical process to review new and existing programs, policies, and initiatives in order to identify who in Ontario and Canada will benefit, who might be harmed, and who will be left out in advance to receive approval and funding. OSPE has fought hard over the past few years to build a more diverse, inclusive, and equitable engineering community. Now is not the time to lose focus on this vision. Number 2, work towards a sustainable transition by encouraging the use of distributed energy resources, or DERs, and emission-free technology. This technology offers consumers the potential for lower cost, higher service reliability, higher power quality, and increased energy efficiency, energy independence, and energy security to mitigate future effects of climate change. Number 3, accelerate the electrification of the transportation system, including EV adoption. Ontario should work towards a safe, secure, green, innovative, and integrated transportation system that is able to support a clean environment while boosting trade, spurring economic growth, and improving public safety. Number 4, modernize Ontario's building code. The Ontario Building Code should become a net zero model by 2030, where energy use data is measurable and available. This model should be based on the significant work already undertaken by the Canada Green Building Council's Net Zero Carbon Building Standard. Number 5, invest in talent development, knowledge training, and supports for engineers across the province and across the nation. One of the primary barriers to innovation and growth is the access to a talent pool that possesses the skills and knowledge needed to adapt to the future economy. Prior to COVID-19, some of Ontario's most strategic sectors, such as infrastructure and transportation, were already facing a talent gap in their engineering departments. We must address this now. Number 6, support engineering students and new engineering graduates. COVID-19 has negatively impacted engineering students and new engineering graduates in numerous ways. Specifically, students and engineering graduates are having difficulty accessing co-op and work-integrated learning opportunities. We have a number of recommendations to support this group. Number 7, drive the transformation of engineering education. To rebuild Ontario's and Canada's economy in the years to come, the province and the nation will require engineering talent that possesses the skills to innovate and succeed in new market realities. Engineering is changing, and the requirements for engineers to demonstrate new competencies is needed now. 8, create a dedicated fund to support Ontario businesses in research and development activities, with a strong focus on local commercialization, including the development of and protection of intellectual property for Ontario and Canada's benefit. And finally, number 9, invest in Ontario's mining industry to ensure the proper cleanup of Ontario's orphaned and abandoned sites. Ontario currently has over 5,000 known abandoned mines containing over 15,000 mine hazards. These abandoned sites are a huge environmental concern and pose health and safety risks to the communities around them. Now, I apologize for the lengthy update, but we've been very busy these past few weeks, and there's still much more to come. Stay tuned and keep up to date with our website and follow our social media channels so that you're always in the know. As always, stay healthy, stay safe, and stay well. Thank you for listening.